Well, our big story now. The interministerial group is set to meet today to discuss what action should be taken against 58 companies that were allocated coal blocks but have not begun production yet. Now, with the opposition piling on the pressure to cancel coal block allocation and the government maintaining it will not cancel allocations, the decision of the group will be very crucial.
Facing the heat from the opposition, categorically demanding scrapping of coal block allocations, and pushed by an upset Prime Minister's office to expedite process of deallocation of blocks where production is yet to begin, pressure is growing on the Coal Ministry to show substantive progress in acting against erring coal block allottees.
Today, the interministerial group will decide what has to be done with the companies that have licenses but not produced any coal. And this is very crucial for the government, which has maintained so far that no licenses will be cancelled.
Just ahead of that crucial meeting, the Coal Minister maintaining that action will be taken once the panel submits its recommendations by the 15th of September.
इंटरमिनिस्ट्रियल ग्रुप बनाया गया है, ये उसकी जिम्मेदारी है, उससे कहा गया 15 सितंबर तक उसकी रिपोर्ट दे दे। उस रिपोर्ट के आधार पर जिन लोगों ने समय से माइनिंग शुरू नहीं की होगी, जिन लोगों ने जानबूझ के देरी की होगी, उनके ब्लॉक रद्द किए जाएंगे।
The government refusing to meet the opposition demand of en masse cancellation of coal blocks.
It's part of the lease agreement that anyone who's not in a position or does not take steps to make the coal mine functional, those can be actually deallocated. But there is no question of en masse deallocation of any block whatever or cancellation of any block whatever.
With minutes of a meeting of the interministerial panel accessed exclusively by Times Now showing that it has recommended cancellation of coal blocks allotted to 53 companies out of a total of 58 being reviewed by it, the panel seems set to seal the fate of companies under the scanner for violating their lease norms. Mr. Chaudhary in New Delhi, Munmun Bhattacharya for Times Now.